I live in East County, Santee of San Diego. I also live in Ramona, Barona area. I'm in the unincorporated area. I am the patient that you guys are trying to defend and help. Don't make me have to drive all the way to the city to get my medication. I don't need to go through all that. I live in Barona. It's wrong for me to have to drive all the way to Hillcrest to get my medication. Please don't do this. Set up a situation where a patient like me can have my medication. Set up guidelines. Of all of the, I have a few questions to ask, but of all of the regulations and recommendations that were put in front of this board, why did you guys choose moratoriums? I mean, there were other recommendations out there put in front of setting up guidelines, of setting up other methods, and you guys chose this one. It only kind of shows your prejudice in the fact that you guys have attacked this for the last 13 to 16 years. Other questions I would like to know. Can you guys legally outlaw or moratorium an issue which is not defined? Dispensaries? Not defined by you guys. Therefore, you guys give Bonnie Dumanis the ability to attack anybody who is trying to get someone medication. Give me a definition first before you guys set up a moratorium. Question number 2. Can you guys legally or ethically listen to a group like the San Diego Prevention Coalition, which is funded by the County of San Diego? You guys gave $148,000 to the Prevention Coalition, and I don't think you guys can legally, ethically listen to them, to any of their recommendations. Number 3, if you guys were to set up a ban or moratorium, which Irvine already tried to do, they're being sued in courts, and they're about to lose that. You guys cannot ban this issue. As a matter of fact, you guys cannot legally ban collectives, which is the true legal name. Dispensaries? You guys are wasting everybody's time. Dispensaries is already illegal. You guys are just pretty much wasting time doing this. So therefore, set up what your definition of a dispensary is, because if that definition is a cooperative collective, you guys cannot ban or make it illegal. Question number 3. Why is this urgent? Why is this any more urgent than it was 13 years ago, than it was 4 years ago, than it was 8 years ago, than it was yesterday? It isn't. One place has established itself. This is not an urgency issue. You guys are making that up in order to make this an issue. This, in my opinion, is a farce, because making dispensaries illegal is already illegal. I mean, I'm asking you guys not to vote in favor of this. I'm asking you guys to take the other options. My last one is, you guys need a bipartisan committee. People who are well informed, like me, how to handle this issue. I've spoken with your advisor, Ms. Jacobs, and they don't know what they're doing. They are not educated in this issue well enough to know the difference between a dispensary and a collective. And they know that they cannot make collectives illegal. Told me that basically last week. But yet, you guys continue your prejudice and try to attack us. Please don't vote for this. Please show the compassion that this law was intended for right from the beginning. Medical marijuana. This isn't outright marijuana. This isn't about federal funding, which I believe that's your big problem. Stop this.